Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix non-tradable symbol in TradingView. If you are trading through a connected broker, TradingView alone is not enough. Your broker must also provide the correct real-time market data. Even if the chart is visible, trading will be blocked if the broker data is not active. Start by logging into your broker's client portal or official website using your normal login details. Once inside your account, look for a section called Market Data, Data Subscriptions, or Account Settings. This is where brokers manage access to real-time prices. In the Subscriptions area, find the exchange or instrument you want to trade. For example, if you are trading futures, you may need to enable top-of-book data for that specific futures exchange. Select the correct data package and activate it. After confirming the change, understand that many brokers process these updates overnight, so the data may not become active immediately. After enabling the subscription, log out of all TradingView sessions. Close any extra tabs or devices where TradingView is open. Then log back into a single TradingView session. This refreshes your permissions and allows TradingView to sync with the broker data correctly. If you are using Tradivate, there is an extra step. Open the Tradivate application, go to Settings, and find the Add-on Tool section. Make sure the TradingView add-on is enabled. Without this add-on, TradingView cannot place trades through Tradivate. If your data subscription is active and the symbol is still non-tradable, double-check that you selected the correct symbol tied to your broker, not a chart-only version. Thanks for watching.